Good morning, my people. Today, my cousin have found a dead bird. Pooch excuse. Today, my cousin has found a dead bird, and so we have decided to make a funeral. This is the hole so far. I want a nice hole, but we need to make it more decent looking. This is Poochie. Say hi to the vlog, Poochie. Yes. Well, yeah, see, well.
Yeah. Where the hole is? I cannot see the hole. Gosh. What the hole is? I don't see my cousin. It's right there, so I cannot still see. Just can see myself.
So we have finished the grave digging for the bird. We have put 2 banana tree leaves for bedding. So now we are about to take up the dead bird.
And put him in the hole.
Sorry. And there he lays, or she, whatsoever gender that bird is. And so we shall get more banana leaves and cover it and then put the dirt over him. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. How can I music play a funeral anyway? This is the banana leaf that we can't tear up my grandfather banana tree, son. So I'm go for an old banana tree. So we have found, don't touch it. We have found old, we have found old banana leaf. So now we're going to tear it. Kimmy, don't tap this up, don't tap this up. My goodness. So we are here with the banana leaf. I am here with my assistant burying this bird. If it wasn't for my assistant, I would not have found out about this bird. So yes, we are ready to bury it. Which part I is? Oh, this direction. So yeah, and wait. Let me see now. Dope. Jesus, like see they are This is so weird. You fluffy? A joke.
Wow.
Top touch. Why on earth I touch one dead bird for me?
I love the bird.
Anyway, so yeah, we'll go put that over him. I feel like so for fully around him. So we'll fully leaf around him. Come try that more secure. Anyways, yeah, and we are ready
To
throw some. Excuse me, Kimmy. Go down this one some more. So, Kimmy, will you do the honors of throwing some dirt on him? See some dirt here. Some soil. Throw some soil, Penny. Yes. We do not know what this means because I have never been to a funeral, but I see it in a music video. Them. Stop, Kimmy, stop. So we see in a music video. I never see it. I never go on a funeral before. I never saw a dead person in my life. Kimmy, stop. Never saw a dead person in my life. I don't know what. So now we are going to shovel in the dirt. Yeah, sure night.
Yeah.
Put it on the wall alone.
We put it on the wall. It's a bird funeral, guys.
So the grave is finished. Yes. This wouldn't have happened if my dearest assistant did not tell me about the dead bird. Thanks for watching.